Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and I just received the Firewalla Purple that I pre-ordered, and let's unbox it, see what's in it, and I'll probably do a separate video on setup for this because one, I've never set this up, and this is my first one. I currently have a UDM Pro and everything, and I wanted to basically see if I could have a little bit more insight, a little bit more control, and seeing if having this device as well will also be good for a additional security or protection. So it just comes in they ship it in an envelope, ships here in the United States, it's USPS, which thank you, because it actually gets here when it says it's going to get here, unlike FedEx. But as soon as you take off the plastic, it's just a plain box and Firewalla Purple, so then that comes off here. And then you can, let's see, nothing inside there. It has a getting started of how to install it. Let's see, there we go. So it does that, and then it says cybersecurity awareness, think before you click, just, some unique stuff. Use unique passwords. Maybe I should actually do that. I have a video on my that I have in my list of videos that I want to get to eventually, that about talking about which password manager I use and stuff like that. So this is the inside of the box, and you just got the Firewalla Purple in there. And basically one of the only reasons why I got this is that they were doing an IndieGoGo on it, and it seemed like a good deal. I wanted gigabit throughput for their connections. I might actually get and take a look at like the Blue Plus, stuff like that, because I think that there is value there as well if I like the way this works. I know some other people that might be looking for something like it. So if they have an easy interface, I think that's really a benefit. So when this comes out, then you have the power brick, and you have the cables in there too. So you get the power brick. It's a USB-C power on there, if you can see that. With a, I like that they put the rubber band on there because that's a little bit nicer than. No, this is a USB-C power, if it ever focuses. And then a flat black network cable there too. So you get those two, and there you go, USB-C. And then you can just take the plastic off here, and here's the Firewalla Purple. You can see you have your power, and then you have your LAN ports, your WAN and your LAN. And this also, it has Wi-Fi in it. It has an SD card in front, I believe, and it's purple, right? So they have the Firewalla Blue, the Firewalla, well, they have the red, the Blue Plus, and the gold, which is, the gold is one step up from the purple. And I'm going to see how it, I don't know if it ever shows up. I'm going to see how this kind of works. I know that there's multiple setups and stuff, so there's that. There's, the QR code on the bottom, and then you have little rubber feet, actually nice little rubber feet, and then you have venting on both sides. So it should keep it pretty well cool, and we'll see how it all goes. I'll keep you posted on how, and do some more videos. Let me know if you have any content that you want me to go through. I'd be more than willing to kind of go through, walk through some of this and just see how it works. That's something, I want to do. I don't see many Firewalla videos out there, so maybe I can do a full setup video and maybe putting it at different configurations. I know that they have like a bridge mode, and they just have like the dumb mode, which is using, what is it, ARQ. So I want to do some of those things and see which one it is. I probably won't use this as a router because that's on the UDM, or the UDM Pro that I have from Ubiquiti. But who knows where this might take me. Maybe I might move away from it with some of the other issues I've had with Ubiquiti on their software, at least on their Protect side. But taking a network undertaking is always fun. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Leave the comments, questions that you have in the comments below. And as you see here, I've done a little bit here with my backdrop. This is a Amiga what is it, 1,000, 11, I think it's 1,100. So I might try to get that thing up and running. That was from a friend that his brother that I built the computer for. I got that through him, so I want to thank them for that, because that's a really cool piece. Yeah, it's just technology I like to collect. But let me know if you guys have any questions on this and anything else. But until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.